If we cut off Foden, De Bruyne, Gundogan, Silva, and the rest, Haaland no go see ball score.
How you want take out all his suppliers?
I no fit tell you my secret.
That is because you no get.
Wetin dey worry you now?
I know they like people wey dey lie. No be yesterday why I ask you this same question. You say na God go do am for us.
Why you come dey talk am for here?
I believe say our fans deserve the truth.
Oga Ten Hag, Ronaldo go start the next match.
Next question.
Ronaldo dey starting lineup.
You deaf? Next reporter. You there?
Okay, sir. Oga Ten Hag, he go start Maguire.
You want make him assist Haaland?
I wan know what I go bet for the next match.
You will so?
What of C-boy?
This interview don't tire me.
But Kochi, I need to prove myself. Fans don't too talk rubbish about me.
You don't already prove yourself. The issue be say, I don't know your next move. Every match, you go dey invent new mistakes.
But Kochi, failure na the path to success.
No be for this club. You fit go fail for another team.
But Kochi, why you call me to come follow drive this bike when I no follow play the match? And no be say I no beg you to put me for that match o. At least I for stand small chance against that Haaland.
Thunder, fire your mouth there. Which 30 chance?
Him send me message. Say na me be Man U problem for defense. Say I go see how Martinez go take pocket Haaland.
What?
As I come the reason how GoTV antenna won't take pocket MTN mast. I no know when laugh come out from my mouth.
You there, Chris?
I know say not to get better blend to ask better questions so. But sometimes, you suppose borrow better sense from your friends and family before you come work.
But na me get sense pass for inside my friends and family, sir.
Then go change your friends and family.
I swear.
But how I want to change my family?
I no know. Just go find better family wey sense dey their lineage. Beg them make them adopt you. As for your question, nothing concern Liverpool concern any trophy this season. Na how to survive dey the agenda this season. Since after that their Champions League finals with Real Madrid, Van Dijk don gain shape-shifting ability. And instead of to dey transform to better defenders like Maldini or Cannavaro, him dey metamorphose to Maguire. And since wey Salah sign new contract, him don add extra weight for him leg wey dey mislead him shots. And for that trend, if after your coach hear you finish before match, you come go dey take knee for Trossard goal. And not be just one knee like other players so, him take two knees at the same time. He suppose tell you say na Depression FC dem be now, and dem no go even enter top 4.
You dey look my position for table. I get outstanding match o.
The people waiting in front, Brighton, Chelsea, Man U, all of them, they don't get outstanding match. Then they are the deceive yourself. If you play outstanding, but you go draw again, and you go still stay where you did.
Be like say you don't smoke mess, abi? Even if I draw, I go still use goal difference past Fulham and Newcastle.
You mean even if you draw or lose, abi?
You dey craze? Who tell you say Man U and Chelsea go win their outstanding?
You go come win your own.
Hey! Silence everywhere! Our discussion today na how to stop Haaland. That guy don dey single-handedly turn EPL to Farmers League. Him dey score for every match now. We need to find way we could take stop him.
Make una just lose hope. Nobody fit stop him.
See this one. It isn't everybody carry shorty jiki for defense like you.
No mind am.
Okay now, make we dey watch.
How you go dey use Lewandowski and him go dey lost inside pitch? E mean say you no sabi use am. You go buy AC wey you no sabi use. Instead of to go back go ask them for the manual, you dey form over sabi. Or maybe your money no reach to buy the manual join body. Now if the AC blow hot breeze, you go dey sweat, still dey talk say all breeze na breeze.
Hey, I notice say na only one goal you score against Southampton.
Now wetin make I come here, sir? This petition wey fans dey sign, e dey fear me, sir. I no want make them pursue me comot England.
So now why you score only one goal?
Yes, sir. Make it no be like say I dey insult Premier League, the most competitive.
Most competitive nonsense. No talk that thing again. Nobody dey pursue anybody. If you want score hat-trick for every match, you dey free. No come dey barrier yourself.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
This man, you get problem.
Now you get problem. Every day they carry gun like say you be Terminator. Why your players no go dey play match like say na do or die? Guardiola don't teach you bad thing.
Make it teach me. As far as I carry EPL trophy, you no concern me.
Now waiting you go talk, but you no go still carry EPL, sha. Guardiola don't already turn EPL to Farmers League. Haaland don dey cultivate the next EPL trophy, and there's nothing you fit do. EPL na currently the most competitive Farmers League, and the Haaland go give all of na wahala.
Say, Mr. Man, no call me Europa anything, no.
No be your final destination be that.
Group stage match never finish.
Waiting you mean? You want do miracle?
Anything dey possible.
To work on top water dey easier to achieve than to qualify from that your group, oh.
Other clubs dey do am, we fit do am.
So you go knack Bayern 4-0, come trash Victoria 10-0.
If na wetin we gats do, we go do am.
Na so madness dey start o.
Sure thing, our current backer dey capable of humbling Madrid.
It's like the Yoruba League wey you dey destined for never humble you.
I no dey go Europa.
Oga Ancelotti, you and Barca get the same point. How important this match go dey for the title chase?
The match go dey important quite alright, but e no go tough.
Meaning?
Your experience as a coach short like you.
Jesus is Lord!
Kubala, na lie I dey lie. Boy, Messi no dey come back anything. If him come back, him no go do much. Him don old.
Na lie.
Hey, e don do. Nobody ask una on our own.
We don share the work finish. The pay, na you get to wash toilet.
Kai, God forbid bad thing. Why na always me dey get to wash toilet? And by the way, after all this the economic levers wey dem pull, dem no still get money to pay people wey go dey wash toilet. I don tire for this club sef. Make I do come dey go.
Nah, future world best like me no suppose to associate myself with Yoruba League at this stage of my career. Mbappe! Wetin dey worry this madman wey no wan retire? Mbappe! Wetin? Why they call my name like that? Idiot boy! Why I no go call your name like that? Come here. Come wash this beep. Where you use do training? Leave am there. Neymar go come wash am. Na your father go wash am. If you like, no go wash your beep. Bros Messi, no be me go wash anything, no. I no blame you. Na because him dey support you, abi? No worry, una no go see me for here by January. I go leave this club for 2 of them.
Wait oh, no tell me say you go bet wetin I tell you that day.
You dey craze. Why I go dey ask you if no be say I wan bet am?
Sorry oh, no be my fault na. You for tell me say na you wan bet am. Instead, you go dey tell me say person point gun give my blockers. Why I go give person wey point gun give me and my blockers better prediction? So that if him win bet, another day him go carry rocket launcher point give my blockers. Say make I predict who go win World Cup.
No dey give me dirty excuse, Joe. Your prediction na wash. Kubala abeg start your show.
You go dey price Lewa when you never pay people wey dey wash your toilet finish. Him buy Lewa think say him don McMaga dem, but him no know say na Lewandowski lights themselves give am. The one wey dey lost for inside big match.
Wait oh, you dey watch Chelsea matches at all? Dem dey like club wey get pattern of play? No be just scattered football wey dem don dey play since that Harry Potter cousin start to dey coach dem.
Na that scattered football dem go use scatter Ten Hag plan. E be like say you never notice say Alin Sabalaga don go buy Magneto hand glove take seal that their post. Man, you no go see goal for that match. But both of them go wash and chop the lawsuit.
Mario, wetin carry you come here? You no go take care of your problems for Serie A, abi? No be Osimhen knack you 1-0 for your home?
At least na table leaders Napoli knack me. But you no dey shame. Come on Nottingham Forest. That is nothing dey their forest at all. Pata. Na him dey knack you.
You dey mad o?
Na true, I dey mad. Because na only madman go put Liverpool win or draw. If no be that una win against City, I no for fall inside this kind nonsense trap. Idiot man. Dem suppose start to dey write your sack letter by now. Come on draw, una no even see.
No. Nobody for your right senses suppose dey think that kind thing. I better pass Kepa. That one na short thing. Or maybe if it be say Kepa don go shrine jazz am. Mendy the bench chopper. How far na? Abeg as you dey chop the bench wey remain for you. No chop am finish o. Remain small for termite. If not na yansh dey go chop. Wetin dey worry you? Why you dey disturb me? I say make I warn you na. Termite fit confuse your yansh with wood. Your father! Shebi you don go Babalawo make Kochi no dey see me. Wetin you dey talk? Since wey Kochi come this club, e no dey even do like say he know me. Even for training. That is because I better pass you. Nah, comot for here. You better pass me? Football don spoil be that na. E dey pay you say my talent dey shine brighter than your own? If to say you get talent, I for reason am. You dey craze. You just Kochi. Just wetin?
Abeg no ask me mumu question. If not, I go slap you as the hot.
Okay, sir. Oga Xavi, you don finally go the Europa League wey una bin dey fear. How you go take approach the new tournament? But no be mumu question be that na.
Comot from my front, Joe. I no get your time.
Where you think say that go? Europa League #1 ambassador.
What you just talk now?
The truth and nothing but the truth.
See, sorry. For this life bar, no ever call me Europa League ambassador.
If to say you talk small, I for fear. But as you small age,
What?
if I fear you, waiting again. Bayern Munich don dey constantly wipe una again and again and again and again and again and 100 times again. Una still never tire to collect. Una follow for their concubines.
Respect yourself, oh.
I mean, all German things na Bayern Munich concubine. Una still go join them. Every time, home and their way, home and their way. Use and dump, use and dump. Una no dey shame. Abi una love for Europa League don increase.
Your father.
Yeah. Abeg, sorry na. I no know say you be small but mighty.
So how you dey enjoy your Europa League now?
Thunder fire Europa. Thank God say you get Champions League club wey dey interested in me.
Speaking of that, the club currently the Champions League, but dem fit comot by the end of the group stage.
Which club be that?
Maccabi Haifa, we knack dem 7-2 for our last match. If to say you dey play for dem, na only you for score their 2 goals, and maybe dem for get more chance to qualify.
Abeg wait for me here, make I go kitchen come back.
Abeg do sandwich come, I dey H.
Blood of God, wetin dey smell like this?
Na this old man wey dey my front.
Van Dijk, I go brush you.
Go brush your yansh first.
Me na you mess this kind thing?
Kochi, this driving of bike dey trigger mess for my hand.
Ochi, na wetin I don dey suffer for here wey make me put hand for my nose.
Na greenhouse gas you mess like this? The thing dey very toxic.
Sir, na black house gas be this, no be green.
Oya pack yourself, go down that side, go drive your bike.
Ochi, the mess go still get global effect. Just tell am say make him go that side go kneel down.
Sir, na no look pass be that. And Allison bin suppose dey im station. Nobody send am to comot come meet me.
You dey even justify your dirty action. Person wey comot to position well for you to make clean pass. Na him you dey do throway face pass for.
Kochi, you don tear my back oh!
Next time, you go look post before you pass ball give your keeper.
I no even understand wetin you don chop wey make you think say you go fit win me for my home.
Your level of they don pass my comprehension. That place where they call your home, no be me and you dey share am. Una fit build stadium where Sapa no go finish una.
No problem. Kubala, start your show.
Okay, sir.
Now you go buy blue pens give them. So you no know say Chelsea na Arsenal loyal wife for EPL. As Barca take be buy and loyal wife for Champions League. Shun this one wey Chelsea start to dey do strong head during Abramovich era. Now Abramovich don go. Arsenal don take back their position as the husband. London don assume their rightful color red. Blue paints don finish for market. Abramovich don carry the remainder go.